Hey, what's up YouTube? Gonna do a quick video on my 2016 Dodge Dart with the 2.4. Doing the oil change for the first time. Well, first time myself. The dealer, I've taken it to the dealer a couple times to have it changed, but now I'm out of my bumper-to-bumper warranty, so I decided to go ahead and just start doing the oil changes myself. So what this motor calls for is a 020 full synthetic. Make sure you get a full synthetic with these motors. It's highly recommended that you get a full synthetic and not a blend. Now, the oil I chose was the Mobile One. As you can see, it's a 020. Good stuff. It's about $27 for the 5-quart at Walmart. Filter. Oh, here's the filter size. It's a M1 113A for Mobile One. Now, that part number is going to be different depending on what kind of oil filter you get. I like Mobile One stuff, so I decided to go with the Mobile One filter and oil. Now, the filter was $9.95 at Walmart. Okay, so a couple things here. Dodge decided to put this cover over the oil plug, so that's what the cover looks like. I'm going to show you where it goes in just a moment here. So that cover covers the oil drain plug, and this cover covers the oil filter. Kind of over designed in my opinion, but whatever. I'm going to put it back on the car. So the oil plug is, I used a 1/2 inch, as you can see. 1/2 inch ratchet. Now, since I've been taking it to the dealer, these guys like to over tighten the oil filter. So I had to go out and buy one of these to take the damn oil filter off. I mean, the oil filter only needs to be hand tightened, but you know, the dealer's the dealer. So to take off those covers I just showed you, these covers here, it's held by these little nuts, or screws rather, and the size is, it's going to be I believe it's a 7. Size 7 socket fits right on here to take those little guys off. There's one on each one. One goes there, one goes there. And I'll show you real quick what it looks like underneath. I got the car on all jacked up and on stands. So let's take a look under here. Okay. So here's what it looks like underneath. There's the oil filter. Kind of weird. It sits straight down. It's not angled, but that's the oil filter. And the plug, sorry for the upside down video. The plug is going to be right there. Oh, get you a good shot. Yeah, right there is the oil plug, and that's what the opening looks like. The opening for this. Where did I put the? Oh. All right, so this one we're gonna put the oil filter on first. Sorry for the the bad angles. But I mean, it's pretty simple. You just slide it right in there and tighten it down. Same with that one over there. You just pop them right back in and screw it down, and you're all set. But that's what it looks like underneath here. I don't know what that is. That's under here too. Yeah, just a quick video on doing an oil change on the Dodge Dart. Oof. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos. I believe the motor takes 4.5 quarts, but I bought the 5-quart jug, so it's good to have a little extra, because these motors burn a little oil, so part of the design, I guess. But yeah, that's how you change the oil on a 2016 Dodge Dart.